the time? It's slime time. My name is Nikita, I'm 9 years old and I'm from London, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make clear slime. So, the first ingredient is PVA glue. The second ingredient is magic liquid. And the third ingredient is my personality. So, if you want to know where I get these, it would be in the link down below. Let's get started. It would be in the link down below. Let's get started.
So let's have a look. I'm really interested to see how you make this slime, you know, because everyone is loving slime. But let's just see how much it is. I'm Nikita's auntie and I'm helping her to show you guys how to make slime.
Okay, so first that's enough.
You've got that, yep.
So now I'm going to pour it in here. Should I put a little bit more?
That's fine, start off with that.
Okay, then I use some activator. I'll put how much I put on that.
So that now is the magic one?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're putting the same amount?
Yeah.
And then show it to me so we can show them at home how much is in there.
Should we put a little bit more, because that was not how much it was.
Okay, put a bit more then. Okay, that's enough.
Now I'm going to pour in.
So you've done, I think you put double of this, so a little bit of glue, however much glue you used double of that magic formula, I think.
Okay, so should I put a little bit more?
No, that's okay now because I think you did that. So now we're going to mix it.
Okay.
So let's see, how does this slime start happening?
It starts happening, it starts to form, as in when you mix it, like with the clear glue. So when it forms, then we'll take that.
Is it slimy?
Yeah, it's turning into, it's forming.
So how many minutes?
It would take, I think 2 minutes.
Okay.
Because it took 2 minutes to off. Yes, it's turning. I think a little bit more mixing will do.
So when you say it's turning, that means it starts getting slimy and thicker?
Yeah.
Let's see it on the spoon. Oh, yeah. Slowly.
I think I have to add a little bit more. It's not like too slimy.
But that's what we want, right?
Well,
That's it. Let's have a look.
Wait, it's not made yet.
Oh.
I'll tell you when it's ready, okay?
So I think maybe you need 5 minutes.
No, wait, you do. You not need 2 minutes, but you have to add more of that, I think, because I think I added double of that, so I need more of that.
So you need a little bit more glue. Okay.
Yeah.
Stop.
Now it'll probably mix.
You've added a little bit more. Okay, so I think the same amount of glue and the same amount of magic
Activator. Liquid. This is turning now.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah. And once it's formed, you can add colour if you want. It's up to you.
Okay, but we're just doing clear slime because if you can make clear slime, you can make
any slime. Does it make it? It's
Ooh. I think that's ready.
I think it's a little bit more mixing actually. Just a little bit more.
Okay, and then that's it.
No, just a little bit more. I know when it's ready, okay?
Can you tell us because we're waiting?
Yeah, 5 more seconds, okay? 5 seconds. Because that's how long it will actually make. 5 more seconds of mixing, then it's actually made. Need to dry. And then after that, it will actually be made. So after 5 seconds. See, it's very liquidy. So the more liquidy, the more time it needs to mix.
So it's activating right now, I
Yes,
think.
activating. And if you add too much activator, it will underact, which means it would be like
Watery.
really not into slime.
Yeah, it'll be watery.
Yeah, and if you overact, it will be sticky.
Oh.
So you have to just be just right.
Oh my god, this slime is just so technical.
So jelly. so satisfying.
Oh, good.
That's the word.
So this is slime time, and we've just made clear slime. And I think it's ready. Let's have a look. Ew.
Rise up, the more it's made.
All right, guys. So 5 more minutes. It might even take you 10 minutes, but just put the equal amounts of PVC clear glue and magic formula. PVA glue and clear magic liquid.
It's made.
The same amount, and you've got clear slime. Let's see it. Stretch it out. Ew. How does it feel?
Oh, so weird. It feels like so jelly.
And then just say bye to everyone watching and
Okay,
say well
bye
done.
guys. Subscribe to our channel now and hit the notification bell on, and we'll shout out your shout out.
Yeah, and let us know that when you make clear slime, how did yours turn out?
Yeah.